A bit more. Do you still bowl?
No.
Why you stop?
As in after school I stopped.
After school you stop?
Yeah.
How long ago was that?
Very long.
Do you think you still got it though, the skills? You were like really high up, right?
No, pole is better.
But both of you are good, I'm pretty sure. I used to like bowling, but then I injured my finger playing bowling. So I try to avoid it because if my finger hurts, I can't do this. Can't do my job. Let it sink. Drop here. Okay. All the way. And let it chill here. Drop the shoulder a little bit more. And chin down. Alright. Okay.